Welcome back. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. The Yoruba people are at it again as they have come out to slam the government and also politicians in the southwest. Well, a representative of a Yoruba group has come out to slam the government and have said that after everything that went on at the toll gate in October 20th, 2020, that people are still supporting these politicians and this government that did evil back then. He has warned the Yoruba people not to take any bribe or vote for any candidate coming this election, that most of them have failed the nation and have failed them. Let's talk about what happened at the Lekki toll gate October 2020. We saw the people that were killed. Innocent protesters came out in their numbers to protest against the NSAS. And we see what happened. We saw the way people were killed. And the fact that a lot of people got killed in that certain place, they still went ahead to open the toll gate. They didn't care about anybody. Yes, we can't say that it was the federal government that gave the go ahead. Then let's not forget that the toll gate is also owned by Tinubu. So they have stated, this representative came out, someone that is in support, a Yoruba agitator. He came out to state what is happening in Nigeria. He came out to talk about the recent happenings in Nigeria, the way Nigeria is deteriorating, and that nobody should collect bribe or believe in anything like one Nigeria. But there is no one Nigeria, and that Yoruba nation must be actualized regardless. We all saw what happened to Sunday Igboho. Just because he wanted a separate nation, he wanted something good for the Yoruba people, for the indigenous people of Yoruba. He wanted something good for them. We could see what was happening. The fact that Nigeria is not as united like as it was before. It has brought everybody to even question if Nigeria was that united before. Because people are saying that there's a lot of tribal differences, a lot of tribalism going on in the country lately. Just let's recall that one of a speaker at the Northern Youth Forum called on the government to stop the indigenous people of Biafra, and that Biafra must cease to exist. But why are they not talking about this Fînàlly herdsmen? We all know that the UK government has sanctioned Biafra as a terrorist group. They have tagged Biafra as a terrorist group. But why are they not tagging this Fînàlly herdsmen as a terrorist group? These people go to other people's land to constitute nuisance. So he has called on everybody not to believe any of these politicians, that they would come, they would sell you what you want to hear. They will promise you heaven on earth, tell you they will do this and do that. And at the end of the day, they do not keep to their words. He has stated that instead they should join the movement, join the campaign for Oduduwa nation, because that nation must be actualized regardless of anything. This is what Sunday Igboho went to prison for. This is what people have been going to prison for. Let's talk about Nnamdi Kanu, whose trial is still ongoing after he tried to bring Biafra to light. So at the end of the day, these governments will do everything in their power to make sure that you do not make any movement aside from Nigeria. You do not push any movement aside from one Nigeria. So at the end of the day, we see people go to prison because they want to actualize a nation for their people. And the man said that enough is enough. That let everyone try and go to their own state. He wants the Yoruba people, seamless and countless of time, not to take bribe or believe any of these politicians. He also attacked politicians in the West, saying that most of them do not care about the Southwest. All they care about is their own political ambition. That they don't even have a say in the rulings of their country. We see these Yoruba politicians, when things happen, they don't come out to talk. We see everything that is happening in the southwest, in these small villages and communities where the Fulani herdsmen are constituting nuisance. They don't allow these people to rest. And at the end of the day, not Tinubu, not Osinbajo, not Ahmed Lawan, nobody from the southwest that is contesting for election has come out to talk about these evil things that the Fulani herdsmen are doing in the southwest. The man has condemned these politicians, that most of them are now seeking for the people of Yoruba votes, but they are not doing anything to make sure that these people are comfortable, these people are living well. Nobody is coming out to even talk about what is happening in the southwest, and you still want us to vote for you. So the people are saying that it's high time that Yoruba people should open their eyes, and they should know that these politicians don't care about them. That all they care about is securing their votes, and after they secure their votes, they will not care about anything again. They will come and promise you heaven on earth. They will tell you what they will do for you, how they will. Some of them will go as far as giving you money, giving you foodstuff and all. But at the end of the day, nothing is being done. They're not adding to the community. They're not adding to the southwest. None of them have even spoken up about all the things going on in the southwest. So this representative have come out to say that enough is enough, that they should stop believing the lies of these politicians, that they are all the same, regardless of whether they're from the southwest or from the southeast, wherever they are from. Even if they're from the southwest, that they should not be believed, because at the end of the day, none of them do anything for their people. They just go get the votes of the people from the southwest, and eventually, when they emerge as whatever they deem it fit to want to be, they will abandon the Yoruba people. They will abandon their people, and they will not remember anything again at all. Well, he has told the Yoruba people to not let money buy them, because you can't use the money to buy somebody that has integrity. If they want to become better, according to what he said, they should not take bribes or any money from any politicians. That if not, they should channel that energy into making sure that Oduduwa nation is actualized, and that Sunday Igboho has started the fight. And the only thing that they can help to assist him is to join in making sure that the Yoruba nation eventually will be actualized. And this is what Sunday Igboho has been fighting for. This is what he wants. So that they should make sure they put their hands together as one and actualize this nation. Well, do not forget to hit the like button and to subscribe. And flood my comment section. Tell me what you feel about this news reaching you right now. Thank you.